Now we're going to talk about the tree data structure in C++. It's a versatile tree-based data structure used for efficient string storage and retrieval. We'll introduce the concepts, guide you through the code line by line, and provide detailed explanations. Now, before we start coding, let's understand the concepts behind trees. A tree, also known as a prefix tree, the tree-based data structure that allows efficient retrieval of strings. It's particularly useful when dealing with a large number of strings as it provides fast search and insertion operations. Each node in a tree represents a character, and the path from the root to a node forms a string. Trees or tries are commonly used in applications like autocomplete, spell checkers, and IP routing tables. Let's begin by implementing the trie data structure in C++. In this code snippet, we define two classes, TreeNode and Tree. The TreeNode class represents a node in the tree, and the Tree class encapsulates the functionality of our trie data structure. The TreeNode class has two members. The isEndOfWord Boolean variable indicates whether the node represents the end of a word. The children unordered map holds the child nodes, where the key is the character and the value is a pointer to the corresponding child trie node. The trie class has three member functions. The insert function inserts a word into the tree by traversing through the characters of the word and creating new nodes as needed. The search function searches for a complete word in the trie by traversing through the characters and checking if each character exists as a child node. The starts with function checks if a given prefix exists in the tree by traversing through the characters by verifying their presence. In the main function, we create a trie object called tree. We insert several words into the tree using the insert function. Then we demonstrate the search and starts with functions by performing searches and prefix checks. Finally, we print the results.